Hello guys, now I'm going to show you steps to create project in Visual Studio. I have Visual Studio 2012, so open it. Start the Visual Studio application. After that, create a new project as a file. New project as a file. Windows 32 console application as a project type. Give any name to your project. For example, my project name is LB. Give locations for your project. Choose desktop because we don't get any confused in that, and the solution name is already defined as our project name by default. Then okay. After it, go to next button, then choose empty project. In that you have to unchoose it by clicking unselect, then finish. Now suppose we are writing one program, a maximum of two numbers. We have to find the maximum number in between two numbers. Then go to source file. If there is no solution explorer, then go to views solution explorer, then it will be present. Source file, right click on it, add new item. You have to choose C++ file, then give name to your new item, whatever the name is. As a given name is a main.cpp. In Visual Studio it compiles C++ programs and C programs also, so there is no difference between we can give any name, that is we can give any extensions to it, as a .c or as a .cpp, because in build it compiles both compilers. Then add, you can see here our main.cpp file created. Another file we have to add here, choose as C++ file, give it name as a helper.cpp, then add. Now we have to create one header file. Add new file, choose header file, name as it is, you can put it or you can give any name. I'm putting the same. Add. Now you are going to do the one program, that is header. I'm going to write #include stdio.h. Enter. Now enter main. Sorry, maximum the functions. Int comma int. Now our main logic goes in helper.cpp. Int maximum, it's our function. We are taking two arguments, giving name as ino1 and ino2. We are comparing it, so we have to use if true. In that we are comparing ino1 with ino2. Then return if ino1 is greater than ino2, then return INO1 else INO2. Our helper file is also done. Now we have to write main function, that is entry point function of our program. Without main function we cannot run our program. We have to write header rotature, int main function, return 0. Now we have to take 3 arguments as I value 1, initialize with 0 starting, otherwise it maybe takes garbage value. I value 2 is equal to 0, and I rate is a variable for returning the value. Then take 2 numbers from user, that is enter 2 numbers for taking it by user. We have to use kind of say integers, so take %d and % of I value 1 comma and % of I value 2. Now we have to return the value in IRate equal to maximum, the function which is defined in helper.cpp file. It's a prototype. Now we have to print the maximum value. Maximum value is percentage circle column IRate semicolon. Now you can see 3 files are done by me. Now I'm going to compile it. It's entered 2 numbers, style 20. Here we have to q /n because for new line, and here also use /n for new line. Debug maximum. Now you can see you can run it without debugging. 10, 20. The maximum number is 20. Thank you. Now you can see